How you guys doing today? It's Sterling Smith from Loot and Booty BBQ. We're back with Green Mountain Grills, and today I got my buddies, my pals from Rev Your Meat
The pals, baby, the pals, we're here.
Phoenix,
we made it.
These guys have an amazing pastrami beef rib recipe they're gonna share with us today. Tell us about this, Kelly.
Absolutely. So we're gonna start off with the beef plate short rib. As you can see right here, this is not a small cut of meat.
This is a hunk of meat.
Exactly. We're gonna trim this up a little bit. We're gonna make a brine. We're gonna put this beef rib in that brine. It's gonna sit in our refrigerator for 10 days.
10 days.
10 days.
Just the brine is 10 days, and then you have another process where you're doing a rub on it.
Exactly.
Correct?
We're gonna take it out of that brine. We're gonna pat it dry, rinse it, and then we're gonna put our pastrami rub on it. Wrap that back up and let it sit for another 24 hours.
Kelly, you clean this off really great. You can see all that marbling in there. It looks amazing.
Yeah.
From this point, you're going to put it into the brine.
Absolutely.
So, Pops, tell us about this brine that you make for these pastrami beef ribs.
To keep it simple, 1 gallon of brine, 2/3 cup of kosher salt, 6 cloves of garlic. The most important thing is I put in a half moisture first, half a gallon of hot water to make sure I have all the salt dissolved. And in addition to that, we put in 1 tablespoon of Prague powder.
Absolutely. What's the next step we're going to do on this, guys?
Hey, there's nothing better than rubbing your meat.
That's
you know?
it.
Put that rub in your meat.
We got to rub that meat. And what are we going to rub it with?
Gotta have your seasoning.
So tell me about this this coat that you're going to put, this rub that you're going to put on
I'll talk you through that while I'm cooking this rib.
Okay.
It's half a cup of black pepper,
Okay.
half a cup of coriander, 2 tablespoons of mustard seed, a tablespoon of brown sugar, and a little bit of ginger. And you apply it to this rib as heavily as you can. At this point, we'll wrap it up in plastic wrap tightly.
Put it in the fridge.
Put it in the fridge.
Let it sleep for a couple days.
Night.
Flip it over a couple of times, and then she's
Beautiful.
ready to smoke.
What we did after our 2 days of sitting in the refrigerator, letting all these spices take all full effect, we're gonna throw this on at 275 right here. We're gonna go bone side down, make that meat side up, right at 275 with some premium Texas blend pellets.
It's going to go for another, what, 5 hours?
5, 6 hours.
Nice.
You got it.
Perfect. It's going to go night-night.
Oh.
Time to drink a couple beers.
Sleep tight.
So these beef ribs have been on now for about 5-6 hours.
5, 6 hours.
275 degrees.
275.
We're looking for that bark to set.
Yeah, and you'll see this meat, it just all rendered up, shrunk down a lot. I mean, remember how big those things were? So we'll go ahead and get this thing wrapped up. Like
After you foil this, you're going to put it back on the smoker?
Absolutely.
And how long is it going to go?
Absolutely. So we'll throw this back on the smoker at 275 again, and we'll probably hit it for another 2 to 3 hours. So
basically, what you want to do is this meat to just be tender,
Oh.
fall off the bone almost. You're going to put a probe in there. It's going to go with like warm butter. It's going to be so tender.
butter, baby. Yep.
Let's get these back on.
We'll throw these babies back on.
That smell.
Wow,
look at
look
those.
at these
Those
things.
are beautiful.
Look at those.
You can see all that the peppercorns that are all crusted into this
Oh,
bark.
yeah.
It looks beautiful,
yeah.
man.
And it's just been soaking in its own juices, just enjoying a nice pastrami bath.
What
right?
I really love about beef ribs is taking this and just doing this little shake thing on them. That's when I kind of know they're ready, when they start shaking and jiggling like that.
So then what we'll do here is we'll just flip these around. You can actually see the bones a little bit better if you flip them around while you're cutting them. We'll take a nice sharp brisket knife, run right through there, and watch this, guys. Look at that red.
Beautiful.
Look at that red color. We didn't see that before when it was coming out of the brine, but look at how red that pastrami is, huh?
That is 8 hours on a GMG. We had 275 degrees. These were brined for 10 days.
Yeah.
We did a dry
Look at those.
crust on them for another 2 days. Smoked them for 8 hours. Dude, this is unbelievable.
Well, hey,
There's 3
you
bones.
gotta share.
There's 4 of us. So I'm gonna
So
do
you're
a
out,
little
you're
thing.
man out,
I'm
right?
doing a little thing right here. Me and Pops over here. We got this corner. We're holding this down this corner. So you guys grab those.
Oh
Me
yeah,
and Pops
check
are
this
over
out.
here.
Come here.
Oh, we can't take a bite of that.
Hey,
Green Mountain
pastrami beef ribs.
Does it every time.
Every time.
Awesome. Thanks for coming, guys.